With the little part right. That one? Or the... Excuse me, senor? I'm wondering, the lawnmower?
I don't work here.
Oh, so you off the clock?
Who are you? Take your mask off, man. No, I don't work here.
You don't work here?
No.
Oh, so you're off the clock?
No, I'm not off the clock. I work for myself.
Oh, you work at the other company?
No,
The
I don't
other...
really
See? That dude is so confused right now. He's like, I don't work here. Yeah, which one do you think is good for him?
Well, if you really want to get him the best,
Yeah.
I'll go with Honda.
Honda?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the Honda then. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hi, I don't speak English, but
Sí.
I mean Spanish, but
Oh, no, señor, I don't speak
Okay.
Spanish neither.
Ah,
I
you
talk
sound like you do.
I talk English forever, señor.
Awesome.
Your tron is my tron.
Oh yeah? Good.
Sí.
We like that.
Okay, señora, dile.
We were looking for the Honda lawnmower, but we see that you don't have it down.
Okay, lady. We're gonna go to another one, señora.
Yeah, your best bet is to call ahead.
So we came to the second store because apparently we couldn't find the other one over there. Oh, here's the lawnmowers. Oh, it's that one right there, Honda. Is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
All right, let's get some gasoline. He needs some gas. He ran out of gas all the time. He needs some gas. Is this like good? What else does he need?
It's gonna need like that pre-mix. Check it out.
2.5 gallon gas. And he said the Honda oil he recommends it for it. So this should be good for him, man. Let's go. Sí, señor. Everything good, señor.
You want an extended warranty for it?
Extended warranty, how much?
Be an extra $75 for another 2 years on top of the manufacturer warranty.
Okay, let's do it.
Sure.
Oh, you forgot the tanque. Tanque de gas, señor. Sí. Sí. You forgot the Honda oil, señor.
You want a bag for it?
Sí.
I'm not functional today.
It's okay, señor. You look drunk.
Right behind you.
Oh, sorry, señor. I know funky shit.
You'll have to go, my guy.
Thank you, señor. Mr. Joe?
No, no se encuentra.
Huh?
No está.
No está Mr. Joe?
No.
Oh, well, I'm looking for him.
¿A mí?
Mr. Joe.
Oh, no está.
El grande, el big tall guy?
Sí, ya sé, no está.
¿No está?
No.
Okay. Thought he was here. Pero lo estamos buscando.
Ay, no. ¿Te hablas español bien?
Sí, hablo
verdad?
español,
Entonces,
yeah.
¿por qué no me hablas español?
Because I talk English forever, señora.
Ay, no, ya sé.
Okay, señora. Your throne is my throne.
You drum, no más.
Sí, your throne is my throne.
Déjame. Ok, déjame. Ay, ya ves.
Ahí viene. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sí. What are you, senor?
Oh, yeah. No, we with the Mac.
Oh, look at you. You look very handsome,
No,
senor.
haircut.
Oh, it's looking nice. Nice, senor.
Yeah.
Come over here, look. Got the beard.
Oh, no, I want a beer.
Oh, you got.
Gotta go to work. Nah.
Oh, you don't want to drink one with me?
Oh, yeah, that's only one.
Only one
Yeah,
with me.
That's it. No more. Nah, no more.
Salud, senor.
Salute.
Look, senor. Yeah, man. Look, the familia gave it to you, senor. The whole familia.
Oh, familiar.
Sí. You want to say something to the familia in the camera?
Yeah, thank you.
He said muchas gracias. He's a very hard-working man. Dile, say you're a hard-working man and
Hard-working man, yeah.
tell him what do you want to do with your life.
Working with the machine.
Work with the machine, señor.
Yeah, I like
Sí. It's nice. Look, it's a Honda B4.
Oh, a B4?
Sí, señor. I was gonna prank you, pero who told you it's a surprise?
Oh, who told me?
Somebody told you about the video.
The other guy around the corner.
Oh yeah, he told
He
you.
told me.
Oh man, I was gonna surprise you, pero Buzira, it's right here for you, all for you. I got the gas. The gas, señor. Look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, full gas. No more. I need a ride for gas.
Oh yeah.
No more. This is full gas.
Yeah, full gas.
Okay, you want to open it?
What the machine?
Yeah, open it,
Let
man.
me see.
Look, got you some kicks, man.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Here you go.
Oh yeah. That's
Nike.
Nike.
Yeah. Surprise! Sí! Sí, señor! I got one for you. Papi, let's do it. Like this. You twist it. It's not working.
It's not working. What happened? Maybe no good. Uh-oh, maybe no good.
Maybe no good. Oh! It popped! Look, it's like this, señor. You go like this. You gotta figure it out. Oh! Oh, señor, sí! Okay, you can open it if you want. It's nice.
It's real nice.
Oh yeah. All because of the familia. Everybody love you. Everybody, you know, thank you to them. Thank you, muchas gracias for him.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you deserve it.
Yep.
Now you can do a lot of yards, señor. Sí, a lot of yard.
Picks up and everything.
Sí, sí. Do it. Muchas gracias, señor. Sí, señor. Everybody, this man is a very hard-working man. He deserves everything. Man, I would never do this without you guys, señores. This man deserves it. Sí, señor. Okay, man. Thank you very much. He's gonna go work hard right now. And well, meanwhile, I'll see you to the next video. Sí. Sí. So I'm gonna go tell the ladies to. I'm gonna give you this. You can have it.
Oh, nah, I'm good. Nah,
You sure?
I'm sure.
You want me to
just
tell the
take
lady?
One more. Nah, I just take one more.
I'll hide him in your bed.
Oh nah.
I'll hide him in your bed, man.
Oh nah.
You
I
sure?
just take one.
One more? All right.
Then y'all can take the rest with y'all.
Put one in your pocket
Oh, yeah, thank you.
so she won't know. Put in one real quick.
Yeah,
And then the one in the back.
back.
Yeah. And then one in the front.
Nah, I'm good. Nah,
Huh?
I'm chilling with these. Yeah, no.
She's like, you're saying she's not gonna see the box. She don't want to see the. Just put it in your other pocket.
Nah, I come back out and get them.
Here, there's a pocket right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
All right, man.
All right, take care.
Take care. And then one for the next road.
You for the next road.
Yeah. Grábalo, grábalo.
See you.
See you.